In this Python coding video, we will understand the problem 3 of problem set 1 for Introduction to Computer Science and Programming using Python. Let's have a look at the question first. Problem 3. Assume S is a string of lowercase characters. Write a program that prints the longest substring of S in which the letters occur in alphabetical order. For example, if S is equal to azcbobobegghakl, then your program should print longest substring in alphabetical order is beggh. In the case of tiles, print the first substring. For example, if S is equal to abcbcd, then your program should print longest substring in alphabetical order is abc. Before we begin, please understand that there may be several possible ways to solve any given coding problem. The way I am attempting to solve this is just one of the many possible solutions. If you want, you can pause this video here, try to attempt this problem on your own, and then come back to this video to see the way I have tried to solve this. Okay, let's begin. We have been provided a variable s which stores a string value. We would not need this variable when we submit our final code to the edX grader, but as of now, we would start with this variable having some initial value. Just be aware that this statement will not be part of our final code which will be submitted. So s is equal to azcbobobegghakl. Here we initialize the variable s with the same value provided in the question. Longest is equal to substring is equal to. Next we take two variables longest and substring and store an empty string in each of them. For index in range, then s. Then we begin the for loop to iterate over the index of each character of the string. For this, we make use of the range function starting from the default value of 0 up to the number of characters in the given string, for which we have used the len function. If index equals 0. Next we add the if condition to check if the index is 0. Substring is equal to s index. If the index is 0, it means our substring will just be equal to the first vector. Elif s index greater than equal to s index minus 1. Then we add the elif condition to check if the character at a particular index is greater than the character at its previous index. We know that we can compare strings and a character or a string will be greater than another if it is in alphabetical order as well as of the same case. We know that the string comparison in Python actually happens based on their ASCII or Unicode values. So substring plus equals index. If we see that a character is in alphabetical order, then we here concatenate it to our substring. Else substring is equal to s and we add the else condition here, so that if a character is not in alphabetical order, then we update the value stored in substring as the character here and start the substring from that character. If len substring greater than len longest colon enter, longest is equal to substring. We also need to check for the longest substring. So what we do is keep checking the length of the substrings obtained with the one stored with the length of the longest substring stored, and if we find a new one which is longer than the previous one, we update our longest substring with that value. Print longest substring in alphabetical order is plus longest. Finally, we print the output because after the loop is done completely, we will have the longest substring with us. Now run the program and we see that our code is correct as it displays longest substring in alphabetical order is beggh. Now let's change the string at the beginning of our code to s is equal to abcbcd and now run the program and we see that our code is correct as it displays longest substring in alphabetical order is ABC, which was the desired output. Thus we have verified that our code is correct. Now before we submit the code to the edX reader, we need to make sure that we have deleted or commented out the first statement, and after that only we do our final summation. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching it. If the solution is not clear to you, you can watch this video again. After that, if you still have some confusion or query, leave a comment below with your question. If you are looking for the answer of some particular Python problem, please feel free to mention the same in the comments below, and if possible, we will try to post a video with the solution for the same. If you want us to keep posting more such videos, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, share it with others, and do let us know in the comment section below. Thank you.